How to get transfer pin from Lycamobile. You will need to follow these steps to obtain the necessary information, including the transfer pin. Dial 1-866-277-3221 to reach Lycamobile's customer service. Ask for your 11-digit account number. Note that this is different from your phone number. When you first activate your Leica mobile phone, you should receive a text with a 4-digit PIN, also known as the CIP number. This number is essential for porting your number. If you didn't receive the CIP number or no longer have it, you will need to request it again from customer service. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.